The idea of moving the hand across the body is very important because that's going to help the baby reach over and helps with the turning of the upper body. You're going to get the hip across and anchor it down and let your baby turn the upper body all by himself or herself. Good job. Now they're on the tummy. This is a good opportunity for you to practice tummy time. Don't forget to block the arms underneath and keep this position. You can keep tummy time for as long as your baby can tolerate. But once your baby starts getting a little wiggly and starts complaining, it's time to roll back. And this is how we will roll back. I'm gonna tuck the arm under the shoulder and just keep the body. Usually the baby will roll all by himself or herself. Good job, you did it. Now is the time to give a little break to the baby, and so it might be a good time to do some pull to sit activities. Good job, good job, good job, yay, nice, I know. And then it's time to roll to the other side. It's always a good idea to roll to both sides. This way, the baby can do everything symmetrically, and that's what we are doing. Here is my toy.